Hello, Jailer Shark. Oh, I got a lemon tree up my bum. Jailer Shark and Mischief here to give you the weekly weather forecast. As you can see, I'm at my house, aren't we, Mischief? Say yes. Blah, 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 blah. Anyway, if you want to see what the weather's doing this week, then yeah, normally I'd say over to Sean, but he's busy right now. So, Jay, what's the weather doing? Mischief, what's the weather doing? Go. Thanks, Jay. Right, weather. Here is our weather. This is the Windy app. Now, for those of you who watch often, you'll know that we use Windy all the time because the wind dictates to us if it's going to be a little bit bumpy up there and also if it's going to bring in the rains or not. So that's why we look at the Windy app. So this is Sunday, so this is actually right now as I'm recording this. So it's a little bit windier on the west side. So Phuket's here, got Phang Nga Bay here, and Phi Phi's down here. So you see it's a green, means it's windy. Blue, like blue up here, means it's not so windy. Purple means there's no wind at all. And if it's really kind of yellow, then you don't really want to be going out that much. But as you can see, Phang Nga Bay and down to Phi Phi today looks pretty nice. There's not much wind. The wind is more on the west side of Phuket. And we're not on that side, so that's good. So let's look at Monday the 24th. Hello, Monday! Monday looks lovely, doesn't it? Yes it does. So you've got the wind still coming from this side. So this is Krabi here, comes over Krabi. Phang Nga Bay looks lovely. Phi Phi a little bit windy down in Phi Phi in the morning. Let's look at Monday afternoon. Monday, wowzers! Check that out! Monday afternoon. That's purple-tastic, baby. That's right. There's lots of purpley thing here. There's purple here. This is up towards Similar Islands if you go up here. But there's purple in all around here. Lovely day to go out, Monday afternoon. That's gorgeous. It's going to be scorchio though, I reckon. Tuesday. Woo, Tuesday morning looks good too. Look, all blue, all very light. Wow, this week looks like it could be awesome. Oh, Tuesday's 25th as well. That's payday for some people. Not for me, but for some people, Tuesday 25th. Tuesday afternoon looks good as well. Let's look at Wednesday. Wowzers! Wednesday looks good too. Wednesday afternoon. Woo! Look at this. Purple spot right here. It's Coconut Island just there. Wow, purple spot right there. Might just go and hang out in the purpleness. It's not Purple Rain, is it? I was going to sing Prince, Purple Rain, but it doesn't, no rain when it's purple. Interesting. Thursday. Oh, a little bit windy for Thursday. Now, interestingly, Thursday, the wind's changed direction. Shush now, dog. Oh, but Mischief's barking at our new snake cage. So, Zahara, my daughter, has built a new snake aquarium. Is it an aquarium or is it a tank? What's the word for it, Zahara? A terrarium, apparently. I'll show you that afterwards and you can see Loki. Mischief, could you shush, please? I'm trying to do the weather video. Thank you very much. So, Thursday. Thursday looks like the wind's changed direction. It's coming down from the north, which is a bit of a strange direction. Thursday afternoon. Oh, it's a little bit windy Thursday afternoon. So it might be a little bit bumpy out there Thursday afternoon, but nothing too bad. It's still a bit light greeny, so that's okay. Friday looks good. Once again, the wind's coming from the west. Strange, it doesn't often come from that direction this time of year. Don't know why. Anyway, Friday afternoon, look at that. Woo! Purple in Phi Phi, baby. Go get purple in Phi Phi. Yes. And then Saturday 29th. Saturday? Oh my God. Elton John was right. Saturday, Saturday, na-na-na, Saturday, Saturday. Saturday looks amazing. Zahara, we're going to go out next Saturday. Look at it. It looks gorgeous. Saturday looks lovely. Oh, Saturday afternoon though. It gets a bit windy. Zahara, we're going out Saturday morning, not Saturday afternoon. There you go. And then Sunday the 30th next week looks really lovely. So it all looks really nice. I think Thursday, there we go. Is it Thursday afternoon? It's the only day. It looks a little bit bumpy out there. But this week looks amazing. Perfect week to go out on a boat. If we've got any boats available, which I'm not sure we have. But you can always go to our website and then click on the old comment button or the link button and go and talk to somebody and they'll tell you if we've got a boat or not. Oh, while you're there, you also go and look at our merchandise page. Yay! It's a 5-star marine thermos flask. It keeps hot things hot and cold things cold. How does it do it? I don't know. There you go. You buy these shirts as well. And caps. I don't have a cap because Mischief, the dog, 5-star dog, keeps eating them. Anyway, look, that's windy. Windy looks amazing. So this is the other weather forecast we use. This is AccuWeather. So this is your bog standard weather forecast. It tells you the temperature, if it's going to be cloudy or not, and then the chance of rain. Now, when it comes to the chance of rain, it says here, so this is Sunday, this is today I'm doing this. Some sun, then turning cloudy with a little rain this afternoon. Well, that's kind of the pattern in the end of March as we move into April. is you do get a little bit more rain in the afternoon or the evenings, which is good for my garden. So my garden's growing well, and hopefully I'll have 2 pineapples coming soon. I've only been waiting for 1.5 years for them. But anyway, there we go. It says 55% chance of rain. That doesn't mean it's going to be 55% chance of rain across the whole of Phuket. That means there's a 55% chance it will rain somewhere in Phuket today. Could be anywhere. Could be Patong. Could be Bangla Road. Could be down in Karon. Hello, Karen. She's lovely. Could be Kata. It could be Rawai. It could be Boat Lagoon. Could be anywhere. But there's a God, I can't get my words out today. There's a 55% chance of that happening. Got it? Good. Anyway, the week looks pretty nice. 33, 33, 34. Yeah, Thursday was the day that looked a little bit dodgy on the old windy. It says it's going to rain that day. A little rain in the morning, otherwise mostly cloudy. But that's okay. Then Friday, Saturday and Sunday. El Scotcho! Here, Miguel, can you put like a flame going up off my hand? Like, Scotcho! Yeah, there you go. A bit of editing for you. Right, another thing we look at, which is absolutely pointless. However, this week I've seen this used, because normally I moan at Sean, because one, this is a live radar, so it's really small and you can't expand it. It's a live radar. It's called TMD Weather Radar Phuket. Now Sean uses this on a daily basis to watch and see when the rain comes in. I've never seen him use it, apart from last week, they're on a secret movie shoot, which I can't talk about because I signed for the NBA. Swish, thank you very much. However, they were watching the rain come because they were up here somewhere. Can't tell you where. I should hide that bit. And they was watching the rain come and they saw this and it went on the group chat. Say, look at the radar. Sean was very excited he could use his radar for a change. Because this is right now, this is right now, Sunday. Sunday at about 10 o'clock I'm recording this. So it's pointless. Because it's pointless for you because it's already happened. Happened a long time ago. So, there we go. Windy. AccuWeather and TMD Weather Radar. They're the ones we use, but windy is the main one. Let's go back to where it is Sunday right now. Sunday morning. There we go. That's where we are right now. So, that's your weather forecast with me, Jay the Shark. I hope you enjoyed it and got some top tips. Now, we are coming in to the change of seasons. April, and we've got Songkran coming up, which is always fun, is really the change of the season. So we start to look, and May the 1st is probably the official when the rainy season starts. That's what the hotels then start dropping their rates and stuff like that. They call it green season. No, not rainy season, green season, or wet season, or monsoon season, whatever. But the patterns are very similar to what's happening normally. So, nothing's major, no problems, all good. Got a couple of good weeks ahead of us to go out on a boat with 5-Star Marine. You know you want to. Yes? Right, I'll take you over to see the... Shush, mischief! Who asked your opinion? Shush! Again. Anyway, I'll take you over to see the new terrarium that my daughter built. Right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh, by the way, if you've got any questions about the weather, please comment below and I will get to them. But I do not know what the weather's going to be like at 2 p.m. on November the 12th. Okay? Good. Thanks! Oh, terrarium. So, this is the new terrarium for Loki the snake, who is in her hide in there somewhere, which you won't be able to see because it's her little cave. Anyway, there you go. Ooh, freaky skull. That's the new terrarium that Mischief was barking at. Good, eh? Right, thanks. Bye. Sneaky.